Means of transportation. Igwe, bicycle. Igwe, bicycle. Most of you have Igwe. Ụgbọala, vehicles, cars, lorries, anything that moves on the road is ụgbọala. Ụgbọelu, aeroplane, helicopters. Ụgbọelu, those that fly in the air. Ụgbọ mmiri, ships, boats, canoes, those that go on water. Ụgbọ mmiri, ships, boats, canoes. Ụgbọ igwe, trains. Trains, those that go on rail, they are called ụgbọ igwe because they go on rails. Ọgba tim-tim. Ọgba tim-tim, motorcycle. Motorcycle is called ọgba tim-tim in Igbo.